Hi there, I'm just going to do a quick video of how to assemble Crewe Orlando chairs. Now you'll receive the chair in a box. All you need to do is open the box up. Once you've done that, you need to take the chair top out of the box. Just place that there. Get rid of the packaging. And then there should also be a hydraulic and a base. So on top of the hydraulic, what we do, we put a piece of wood and we cover it in bubble. So when it's transportation, the plate doesn't hit the bottom of the chair. So it's safe. So what you need to do is turn the hydraulic over, and you need a Phillips screwdriver just to take the two screws out from the wood. Once you've done that, you can throw this piece away. Okay, as you notice that there's 4 holes in the plate. There should also be 4 screws in the bottom of the seat plate. So what you need to do is take these out. I'm using a Martinique chair at the moment, just for the video purposes, but this is the same for our St.Lucia chair, Milano chair, Bahama, Antigua, Barbados, Tobago, Cube Lux. It's all the same. So you should have a plate with a little arrow on it. Okay, so what you want to do is marry the 2 arrows together. Okay, and the holes should all fit, because it's slightly higher at the front, makes the chair sit back. So what you want to do is just put them in loosely to start with, all 4 screws. I suggest you don't over tighten these here, because there's a little bit of play in the chair still. It just makes it easier to tighten them up after. Okay, once you get finger tight, you need a 6mm Allen key. And just to tighten them up nice and tight. Okay, nearly done. Okay, so once they're done, I will turn the chair over, and that's your chair.